Cancer! This is a Cancer Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus bonus reading for the month of February. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Cancerians? Kamusta ang puso? Kamusta? Nakapag-heal na ba? Natuto na ba ng self-love at boundaries sa mga Cancerians? Let's see. Again, remind ko lang uli kayo, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo isa-isa. So, if ever na may nagme-message sa inyo, hindi po ako yon. If you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. At napalatandaan na nag-iisa at legit account natin, isa lang po yung fina-follow ko, which is yung backup account natin kay Angeles 11. Alright? And for your personal reading at sa ating mga high quality, blessed, cleanse, and ritualized crystals, PM lang po para sa special price. Alright. Cancer. Nagkaroon ng decision to accept things. It's like, it is what it is. Now, ano nang gagawin? Plano. Plan A, Plan B. Sabi ng masculine, ayaw niyang mag-overthink, solution-oriented. Dapat daw may clarity, which is the right thing to do. Huwag daw magpadala sa emosyon. Sabi ng feminine here, naghihintay siya na magkaroon ng magandang outcome, magkaroon ng good news sa situation na to, because like for a certain period of time, naging toxic kayo sa isa't isa. Someone is stalking. Someone carries a lot of lies, a bag full of lies, at may plano ang isang taong sinungaling na to, may dishonesty sa energy ng tao na to, plano niyang bumalik. But right now, trying to hold back, sabi niya, mukhang mainit pa ang emosyon ng mga tao, kaya someone is trying to hold back, sabi niya hindi muna siya magko-communicate hanggang hindi niya maramdaman na like, yung sigurado siyang marireciprocate yung gusto niyang communication sa connection na to. Okay? So, nagpapakiramdaman. Someone wants to reconnect, pero nakikiramdam siya kasi gusto niya magkaroon ng maayos na pag-uusap. But I don't feel good about this person kasi may dala siyang bag of lies. Whatever you're trying to manifest, hindi nangyari, nagkaroon ng delays. But I feel in terms of money, unti-unti bumabalik yung nare-regain na yung mga nagastos, okay, in the past. You're trying to manifest success. Yeah, unti-unti, meron kang nare-rebuild na dreams. Meron ditong strong soul connection between you and your person, but I don't feel ready ang feminine to communicate. Okay? Maraming naging overthinking. Someone is trying to find the balance here. Pero sabi niya, sige, if ever na hindi pa tamang panahon to communicate and reach out, tanggap naman ng isang person na, sige, wag muna. Bibigyan niya ng time yung other person to like figure things out at medyo kumalma yung emotions, okay? The reason for the reading, the King of Wands in reverse, very charming, very playful, but, you know, this masculine is not ready for commitment. Hindi niya kayang magbigay ng buo sa relationship. This is more like a casual connection ang kaya ng masculine. At sabi niya, avoiding conflict siya for now. Sabi ng feminine, sinusubukan niya not to care so much. Alam naman niya yung readiness level ng masculine. Kaya sabi niya, ibibigay muna niya sa ibang bagay ang kanyang atensyon, like trabaho, okay? Ayaw na rin niya munang mag-overthink about connection, okay? So, may prayers and manifestation sa mga Cancerian na gustong mag-heal sa isang passionate connection na to. But, pinagpe-pray mabuti, bibitiwan na ba to? Titigilan na ba ang communication? Hindi na magbibigay ng another chance? Magfo-focus na lang ba sa healing? Or, magbibigay ng another chance at susubukang i-heal ang connection na to? Okay? I pray na makagawa ka ng tamang decision for yourself. Sabi ng mga Cancerians, hindi pa tapos ang connection na to. The Tower is in reverse. Someone is trying to stop no, to prevent yung collapse ng relationship, hindi pa daw to tapos. Someone wants to fight for this connection para maging maayos because someone feels defeated, na parang someone feels the loss, is grieving the loss of this connection. Okay? So gusto niyang ipaglaban, sabi niya hindi pa ito tapos. Your person's energy, Cancerian, energetically connected pa rin naman siya sa'yo. Someone is thinking of reconciliation, reconnection. Okay? But someone, hindi na pareho yung energy. Someone wants to reconnect, someone wants to reconcile, pero yung isa parang hindi na siya ganun ka-interesado na magbigay ng energy, ng pagmamahal, pagtitiwala sa relationship na to. So may fear and doubt ang mga Cancerian if ever bigyan ng chance ang person na itong magpaliwanag, mag-apologize, magiging maayos ba? May babalik ba yung dati? Maraming questions, okay? Because in the past, maraming minanifest about this connection, and andito rin yung energy of like, yung intuition ng mga Cancerians ay sinasabing may mali. This is intuition card. Sinasabing may mali, may kasinungalingan. This person is sneaky. And then, dinismiss ng mga Cancerians yung intuition nila. And then, nagulat na lang na parang shocks. Ito yung ramdam mo simula pa lang na red flag. And then, na-reveal ang red flag to be true. So, parang nagkakaroon din ng self-blame and realization na like, dapat talaga na huwag i-dismiss ang intuition. Okay? To balance your heart chakra, Madagascar Rose Quartz. To have mental clarity and stronger connection with the divine, we have the amethyst crystal. Because I feel most of you are trying to connect with your intuition, trying to have mental clarity. Amethyst, okay? Meron tayong combination crystal of love and money, okay? This is like rose quartz and citrine. This is for love and money, okay? To ground your energy, we have the Madagascar Black Tourmaline to ground your energy and protect yourself from inget, evil eye. Okay? Until the end of April, I don't feel naman na totally magde-detach kayo sa isa't isa. Nandun pa rin yung overthinking, like future plans nyo para sa isa't isa. Someone still wants to fight for this connection, ilaban, aayusin. Gagawing stronger daw ang connection na to. Someone can't let go yet. Okay, let's see. Oops. Someone wants to rush in making a decision, gustong sumugod to communicate, pero pinipigilan ng sarili because baka daw magkamali or baka naman mag-cause lang ng conflict and drama. Someone is acknowledging yung strong soul connection, okay? But nagdadala ng like energy of sayang, the feeling lang of depression, sadness na may nasayang na soul connection here. Someone is choosing to give an effort this time sa relationship na to and waiting for a positive outcome. No? Na parang slowly but surely, I feel someone really messed this connection up. Kaya sabi niya, sige, patiently waiting kung kailan pwedeng mag-reconnect kapag willing na yung other party. Very strong pa rin yung feeling sa isa't isa and yung connection. Someone feels sad and disappointed kung paano niya hinandle ang relationship na to because ngayon niya nare-realize na may soul connection or very strong yung connection niya with this person. And ngayon din niya na-realize, no, especially on the side ng masculine, na ito na yung pipiliin niya at naghihintay lang siya ng perfect time to make this connection work out. At this time daw, aayusin na niya talaga. Okay? Potential is a potential hanggat hindi nasarap, hanggat hindi nangyayari, hanggat hindi nagmamaterialize yung mga sinasabi, it's still a potential. Okay? Okay lang na isipin na pwedeng magbago, but tignan mo rin yung actions feminine, especially on the side of the feminine, okay? tingnan ng actions ng masculine kung nag-align sa mga pangako. Alright, see you again in a few days.